Hello friends, namaste. Welcome to my channel Fun Unlimited. So friends, as you can see, this is the MI package. So friends, today we are going to unbox Mi Band HRX Edition. So this is the package of Mi Band which I have received. Xiaomi launched the Mi Band HRX Edition in India earlier this month in partnership with HRX. So friends, HRX means Hrithik Roshan. So we are going to unbox Xiaomi's latest fitness and sleep tracker, the Mi Band HRX Edition, and we'll take a quick look and features and functions of Mi Band HRX Edition launched in partnership with Hrithik Roshan. So friends, it is almost identical to the last year Mi Band 2 except for the absence of heart rate sensor. So friends, this is the package. As you can see, Mi Band, I have purchased this band from mi.com. This was the package in which you will receive, and let's see what is inside. So inside you can see this is the box. It was the packing. The box is of white color, and this is the bill. It is delivered by FedEx, and this is the bill, and here you can see what is there. Mi Band HRX Edition, Mi white colored box, and here are some specifications are given regarding to Mi Band HRX Edition. Product name Mi Band 2i, quantity 1, water resistance IP67. Product model, battery capacity 70 mAh, MRP rupees 1799, but it is now available in just rupees 1299. Color is black. Input voltage 5.0 volt, connection time Bluetooth 4.0. Part number battery Lion polymer. Input current 65 milliampere contains. It contains Mi Band sensor, strap, charging cable, and user guide. So it is compatible with all Xiaomi phones or any device with Android version 4.4 and above, and Bluetooth 4.0. Also compatible with iPhones from iPhone 4S onwards that run on iOS 7.0 for latest version. Manufacturer address, importer, customer complaint, contact, and made in China. Mi.com, Bluetooth smart. So friends, as you can see, this is the band box. So now let's unbox it and let's see what is inside. So friends, it is a very good band for you. The tagline of Mi Band HRX Edition is start what you can't stop. It is having a 23 days battery life, improved tracking algorithm, splash resistance, and HRX limited edition. Price rupees 1299. So friends, see, I have unboxed, and I think this is the tracker. So friends, you can see in the band it is having Xiaomi Mi Band HRX Edition, black silicone wristband. This is the band, black color. Black color wristband, and let's see what other things are there. And this is the Mi Band. This is the tracker. I think it have to be charged. This is not on. Black sequin wrist, and these are the two things. And let's see what else. It is having quick start guide and user guide. This is the user guide. Assemble and wear Mi Band. Install the Mi Fit app on your phone. Pair Mi Band with your phone and use your Mi Band. This is the third thing. And what else? And this is the typical charging cable. So let's put this. It can be charged like this. So I'm going to charge it. So friends, see, it is getting charged. So friends, let's wait for some time when it is getting charged. So friends, these are the things which we get in the Mi Band. The Mi Band HRX Edition comes with 0.42-inch OLED display with scratch resistance glass, anti-fingerprint coating similar to the Mi Band 2. It shows time, steps, calories burnt, battery remaining, and more when you press the hardware button. And you can customize also. It has HRX branding in the wristband, and it accurately monitors your activities, uses second generation low energy Bluetooth, but it lacks the heart rate sensor on the back. It promises up to 23 days of battery life. This is the strap. Let's put the strap in the wrist. So friends, it can easily be fitted like this. It is not short. This is the charging cable. Please don't get loose of this because it is only available with this. And let's see how it gets fit. The Xiaomi Mi Band HRX Edition is priced rupees 1299, and it is available in mi.com, Flipkart and Amazon. So friends, see, it is easily fitted. See friends, now it is fitted. This way it is fitted. So friends, I hope you have liked this video. I request all the viewers to please like, share and please subscribe our channel. And now let's see what you have. So friends, this is the website. Mi Band HRX Edition. Start what you can stop. 1299 rupees. Starts with every step. Mi Band HRX Edition uses OLED display. time, steps and calories, calculates the spring in your steps, the improved pedometer algorithm in Mi Band HRX Edition, and ideal alerts send a gentle buzz when you have been sitting still for too long, and reminders tells you when it is time to take a short walk or a water break. Had your daily run, and see what else. Unlocks in an instant. You can also unlock the phone. It carries a unique identity. No passcodes or fingerprints are required. Call and notification alerts. Send notification alerts straight in the message. And IP6 splash resistant. Rinse hands or shower with Mi Band HRX Edition and without any worries. Durable and resistance against water splashes, sweat, cosmetic dust. Refined within, UV coated display, resistant to scratches, fingerprints. The Android button 0.05 mm. Refined within. It is having perfect. It is available in two colors, blue and black. Perfect fit your wrist. The band holds the sensor tightly in the place and sits snugly on your wrist. Even through the most vigorous exercise, the band is smooth to touch and comfortable even for people with sensitive skin. Tested to be tougher, heat tested 70 degrees, cold tested minus 20 degrees, drop tested 1.2 meters, corrosion resistant. So colors available are blue, green and orange will be arriving soon. So friends, I hope you all have liked this video. I request all the viewers to please like, share and please subscribe our channel. So friends, thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Mi Band HRX Edition. Thank you friends. Please subscribe.